Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard error in 2025. So if your installer is freezing, crashing or saying that the setup wizard ended prematurely, don't worry, you can try these quick fixes and you will get it working again. So in the first method, you just have to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Over here, you will find this type of pop-up in front of you. In this particular pop-up, you will have to enter a command, which will be this, which is percentage local app data percentage. Then click on the option of OK. Now, once you do this, you are going to see the app data files in front of you. So among these, you just have to simply search for the Epic Games launcher files. Over here, simply go to the Epic Games inside it. Then you need to simply just delete this particular folder. Afterwards, go to your program and delete any of the Epic Games folder from there too. So this was the first step that you need to try. In the second step, what you need to do is you need to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard again. Now again, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. This time you will have to run another command, which will be this percentage temp percentage, then hit OK. So this is going to show you the folders that store the installer logs. So you just have to clear them, and clearing them is going to fix the captured setup data. So these are the two things that you need to do first of all. After that, you can try running your launcher as an administrator, or if the issue still persists, you can just simply uninstall your installer from the PC and then you can just install it back again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.